What's happening? How'd you make that change from purple to pink?
I just changed the pH of the solution using my breath.
pH? What's that?
pH is the scale we use to measure how acidic or basic something is. And this solution is an indicator solution, meaning it changes color depending on whether something acidic or basic is added to it.
But what does it mean for something to be acidic or basic?
Well, have you ever tasted a lemon?
Yep, that's sour.
Yes, that sourness you taste is related to how acidic the lemon juice is. Things that are acidic tend to taste sour. Things that are basic tend to taste bitter and normally feel slippery to touch. Just like this bar of soap.
Yep, so slippery.
Well, while Jack gets all that slippery basic soap washed off, let's take a look at the pH scale. The pH scale ranges from 0 to 14. That lemon we just tasted is acidic and around a 2 on the pH scale, and the soap is basic and around a 12 on the pH scale. Water is neutral, meaning it's in the middle of the scale at 7, not too acidic or too basic. When I blew it to my indicator solution, it turned pink because of the carbon dioxide in my breath. That carbon dioxide combined with the water to form an acidic solution known as carbonic acid, if you really want to get fancy.
Let's see some more colors.
Sure, we can do some testing with our pH indicator solution to find out where some other solutions fall on the pH scale. This time without tasting though. Our indicator solution is made from red cabbage. If you look at it now, it's a purple color and will stay that same color in neutral substances like plain water. But when it reacts with an acid, it will change to a pinkish or red color. When it reacts with a base, it will turn a greenish or even grayish color. And remember, anytime we do experiments, we want to wear the proper lab safety gear.
This must be acidic since its color changed to pink.
That's right. We know from our scale that red cabbage indicator turns pink when something is acidic.
This one didn't seem to change color. It must be neutral.
Correct again. Anything with a neutral pH won't react to the indicator solution and change color.
This one's changed to green. Let me check the pH scale. Yup, green means this solution must be basic.
Right again.
Now that you're beginning to understand pH and how to test it, you can start experimenting with lots of different solutions. And always remember to wear the proper safety gear and have adult supervision.